Okay guys, so welcome for today's of my vlog. My vlog. So, our topic for today is sexual aspect of self and the material aspect of self. So guys, first things first, let me introduce myself, and I'm Angelie Arvena, this Biology Black A. So, dado ko sa natin itong buhok kay maraga piki man. So, sugda na nato. Ihap-hap lang yun ako kayo. Matag nanay sa itong buhok, guys. So, for the go. Sige. So, itong storyahan ko na ang what is sexual aspect of self. So, when we say, guys, when we heard about that words, like, you might think or question, like many people of us, or some people of us, or students, like, asking, what is really sexual aspect of self? Guys, when we say sexual aspect of self, that is knowing and respecting our feelings and identity. While material aspect is how we use things to show our comfortably. So, when we see like that, guys, like, for example guys, sa material aspect, is kaniya kong pinaka-always dala-dala ang sa eskwelahan na, pero hindi na sila matingala, like, they're always see me holding my phone without leaving it in the chair, charis. So, like, guys, like, yung cellphone ko, like, from always, hold my phone, like, kung palaging dinadala ko yung phone ko sa school, is like, many people say na, Angel, why you always holding your phone? Pwede namang i-bilin mo na yan, like, isang tabi mo na yan, like that. But for me, phone is life, guys. Phone is life. Like, my phone is my only thing, like, knowing me. Yung cellphone ko talaga yung dapat nandyan, like, kung gusto mo ako, like, someone like me, then they want to ask me, just, of course, yung phone ko talaga yung equals para magawa one-on-one communication kami. Yung phone ko talaga for the, basta guys, like that. Basta, like, you don't understand me na, guys, kay, that's the way I show myself, like, from who I am. Like, that's the things, like, my phone, ganun. To share that, that's all the thing that I can say about sexual and materialistic. Just like that. Ganun man, guys. Like, simple.
Hi guys, so this is part 2. So why is sexual aspect and material aspect of self is important? So sexual aspect is important because it relates to how you feel about yourself as a sexual being, which affect your confidence and relationship. And the material aspect is important because it involves your possession and resources which help meet your basic need and ensure comfort. In short, sexual aspect is identity and relationship, while material aspect provides security and comfort.
So, that's all for today, guys. Kita kits.